Hello Roadrunners! In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your course's drop dates. Do note, if you want to drop a class, we highly recommend to speak with a counselor to best help you and to watch our video on how to drop courses. There are two methods to check the drop dates of your courses. The first one is through self-service. Once in, you will click on your registration statement and then Crafton Hill statement. Here you will see the drop dates for your courses in these areas. The second method is through the Crafton Hills website. You will click on Find Classes in the main page to be brought to our online catalog. Do note you will need to know the course number, section, and semester of the class you want to check the drop date for. Once you fill in the information and find your class, you can see the dates here. If you'd like more in-depth assistance, feel free to reach out to the completion coaches at the University Transfer and Career Center or call us at 909-389-3399. You can also scan the following QR codes for more information.